Hey guys.
I'm lost inside your world. You got that symphony, like that-oo, that-oo, that-oo. If you like me playing twice, are you naughty or nice? Maybe add a little spice. If you try to roll the dice,
Let me give you some advice. If you play me twice,
he's not even
Chill nights lang tayo, guys. Hello po, please.
maybe he's just looking.
Share the live stream and tap the hearts.
You really like me, baby.
Hindi ko naman share kasi low-key lang tayo. Low-key live stream lang tayo for everybody who's here lang sa TikTok. So I hope you guys are watching. Hello sa lahat naman nanonood dyan. Hello po. Sound check. 1, 2, 3.
If you like me blink twice, he's not even thinking about me.
How are you guys? Taga Inirak, taga Dagupan, Balot Wasak at Manila. JQ, what's up? Welcome to the stream, guys. Sa lahat ng mga bagong pasok. Welcome. Hi, Thea. No, not Leia. Hi, Thea. Yes, you're not Leia. Itong dito sa side na to, wala na eh. Flat na siya. Mark na lang siya. Ito, may nag-umusbong na naman na bago. Ginagamit ako ngayon yung Dr. Leo. Tignan nyo sa, ano ko, sa, tawag dito, showcase. Masantos siya labi, masantos siya kabuasan la. Masantos siya kabuasan at si kayo namin. Yan, mag-ano tayo? Hi, Vante. Thank you. Oh, speaking of PBB, meron ng bagong batch of celebrity housemates. What are your thoughts? Nakakatuwa naman. Hi, Ate Lizelle. What's up? Let's sing your requests. If you have some song requests, I'll sing it for all of you guys. What's my next musical? I don't know yet.
Nescafe.
Asan si Fiam?
Gisingin ang mundo.
Thank you, Zaldi. Good morning, everyone. Good morning po sa lahat ng mga nandito.
Ang stress nakakaubos
Welcome to
ng
the stream.
nutrients.
Okay, let's sing our first song. If you have some song requests, request nyo lang po dyan. Mga chill lang tayo. Pampatulog lang. Bago matulog. Hey, come on. Roofer.
Some people live for their fortune. Some people live just for the fame. Some people live for the power, yeah. Some people live just to play the game. Some people think that our physical things define what's within. I've been there before, but that's life so born, so full of a superficial. Some people want it all, but I don't want nothing at all. If it ain't you, baby, if I ain't got you, baby. Some people want diamond rings, and some just want everything. If everything means nothing, if I ain't got you, yeah. Some people search for a fountain that promises forever young. Some people need 3,000 roses, and that's the only way to prove you love them. Hand me the word on a silver platter. And what good would it be? And with no one to share, with no one who truly cares for me. Some people want it all, but I don't want nothing at all. If it ain't you, baby, if I ain't got you, baby. Some people want diamond rings, and some just want everything. If everything means nothing, if I ain't got you. I don't want nothing at all. You, baby, if I ain't got you, baby. Some people want diamond rings, and some just want everything. If everything means nothing, if I ain't got you, baby. If I ain't got you with me, baby. Thank you, Ate Lizelle. Thank you po for staying. Sa lahat po na nandito, good morning. Sa mga gising pa, good morning.
Thank you so much. Ayun. Again, if you have some song requests, hanggang kailan may nag-request. Uy, Kimmer! Thank you, Kimmer. Salamat. Thank you, thank you. Ano request mo, Kimmer? Maya pa abak kay kayo nga. It might be you. Sige. After the talk hanggang kailan. It might be you. Sorry. Ads. Hi, Candy. What's up? Sige, try natin yan later. Anyway, here's the song requests. Salamat sa mga nag-i-stay. Hindi ko talaga shinare tong live ko para kung sino lang nandito. Go lang. Kapusan na. Talante. What's up, Jack? Thank you.
Labis na nainig, nayaya mo sa bawat sandali. Kapag naalala ka, wala naman kung magawa. Umuwi ka na, baby. Jenica, what's up? Di na ako sanay na wala ka. Mahirap na mag-isa. At sa gabi hinahanap kita. Hanggang kailan ako maghihintay na makasama ka muli sa buhay ko. Puno ng paghihirap at tanging ikaw lang ang pumapawi sa mga luha. Naglalagay ng ngiti sa mga labi. Di mapigilang mag-isip na baka sa tagal mahulog ang loob ko sa iba. O nakakabalisa, nakamutwag naman sana. Umuwi ka na, baby. Di na ako sanay ng malakad. Mahirap ang mag-isa. Umuwi ka na, baby. Umuwi ka na, baby. Umuwi ka na, baby.
Thank you so much. Umuwi ka na kasi. Parang request ito. Sana nandito pa yung nag-request. It might be you. Hi, Elaine. What's up? Yes, oo. Madaling araw na umuwi na kayo. Kung nasa labas pa kayo ng bahay, umuwi na kayo. Shoutout from Lingayen. Judy, what's up? Here's It Might Be You. Song request by Roofer. Hi, Iko. Love you. Somewhere down the road. Sige.
I've been passing time, watching trains go by. All of my life, lying on the sand, watching seabirds fly, wishing there would be someone waiting for me. Something's telling me it might be you. It's telling me it might be you. All of my life, looking back as lovers go walking past. All of my life, wondering how they met and what makes it last. If I found the place, would I recognize the face? Something's telling me it might be you. Yeah, it's telling me it might be you. So many quiet walks to take, so many dreams to make, and with so much love to make. I think we're gonna need some time. Maybe all we need is time. And it's telling me it might be you. All of my life, it's you. It's you.
Watching from Malaysia, hi, Consi.
I've been saving love songs and lullabies, and there's so much more. No one's ever heard before. Yeah, it's telling me it must be you. And I'm feeling it'll just be you. All of my life, it's you.
Thank you so much. Ayun. Thank you, Ate Lizelle. May nag-request somewhere down the road. Sige. Somewhere down the road. Thank you, Roofer, for the song request. Incomplete. Ako, di ko kabisado yan. Thank you, Ria. Salamat. Anyway, here's Sana nandito pa yung nakakasipag magtrabaho pa ako. Very good.
We had the right love at the wrong time. Yes, I always knew inside I wouldn't have you for a long time. Those dreams of yours are shining on distant shores, and if you're calling you away, I have no right to make you stay. But somewhere down the road, our roads are gonna cross again. It doesn't really matter when. Somewhere down the road, I know that heart of yours will come to see that you belong with me. Sometimes goodbyes are not forever. It doesn't matter if you're gone. I still believe in us together. I understand more than you think I can. You have to go out on your own so you can find your way back home. 'Cause somewhere down the road, our roads are gonna cross again. It doesn't really matter when. Somewhere down the road, I know that heart of yours will come to see that you belong with me. Letting go is just another way to say I'll always love you so. We had the right love at the wrong time. Maybe we've only just begun. Maybe the best is yet to come. 'Cause somewhere down the road, our roads are gonna cross again. It doesn't really matter when. Somewhere down the road, our roads, heart of yours will come to see that you belong with me. Thank you so much.
Yo. Thank you, Judy. Hindi ko alam yung incomplete. Baka may ibang request. Thanks for the request, Elaine. May mga iba kayong request. Sakit ng kantang to. Hello po sa lahat ng mga nag-i-stay. Good morning. Sa mga gising pa. Sa mga matutulog pa lang, good night. Hi, Lazy in LA. What's up? Madaling araw. Hindi ako makatulog eh. Pampatulog lang. Before I Let You Go. Wow. Sige. Parang masasakit yung mga songs natin tonight ah. Thank you, Lazy in LA. Sakit ng kantang to.
Here I am alone in this empty room, and let my mind just fly you to the end. Thoughts of you still linger in my memory, wondering why my life is not that fair. I could still recall those memories of you, the joy and all your laughter, the love that we've been through. Oh, I can't believe you're gone.
Ay, kung sakit ng kantang.
Talking to myself for reasons I should finding out why everything went wrong. Tears falling down my cheeks that I've been trying to hold. I just don't know if I can still go on. I wanted you to stay. The tears began to show. You said you care for me, but then you had to go. Oh, now I know you're gone. I don't want to remember the things we used to do, all the things that remind me of you. I don't want to hear those songs we used to sing, 'cause I don't want to feel the pain in my heart.
Wow. Grabe yung kantang to. Thank you, Ria.
I don't want to remember the things we used to do, and all the things that remind me of you. And I don't want to hear those songs, the songs we used to sing, 'cause I don't want to feel the pain in my heart. And I don't want
Grabe, ang takas. Hindi ko kaya yung madaling araw.
that remind me of you. I don't want to hear those songs, the songs we used to sing, 'cause I don't want to feel the pain in my heart. I don't want to feel
my God, Jenica, hindi ko masyadong kabisado. Anong trending sa TikTok? Anong sinasabi niyo trending? Anong trending sa TikTok? Someday? Uy, gusto ko tong kantang to. Allow me to sing this song. Sige, mamaya, may mga request nyo.
Covers TH.
Oh my God, gusto ko tong kantang to. Hi, Joy May.
I guess you've heard, I guess you know, in time I'd have told you, but I guess I'm too slow. It's overly romantic, but I know that it's real. I hope you don't mind if I say what I feel. It's like I'm in somebody else's dream. This cannot be happening to me. You were there, you were everything I never see. You woke me up from this long and endless sleep. I was alone, I opened my eyes and you were there. Thank you, Lazy in LA. Don't be alarmed, no, don't be concerned. I don't want to change things, leaving just as they were. I mean, nothing's really different. It's me who feels strange. I'm always lost for words when someone mentions your name. I know I'll get this over this for sure. I'm not the type who dreams there could be more. But you were there, you were everything I'd never see. You woke me up from this long and endless sleep. I was alone, I opened my eyes and you were there. Can I take your smile home with me? Oh, the magic in your hands.
Oh, I wasn't prepared for that.
The rain has stopped, the storm has passed. Look at all the colors, now the sun's here and there. I suppose that you believe it, but I want you to know part of you stays with me even after you go. Like an actor playing someone else's scene. This cannot be happening to me. But you were there, you were everything I'd never seen. You woke me up from this long and empty sleep. I was alone, I opened my eyes and no, no, not alone, not alone. I opened my eyes and you were there. Ang taas pala nito. Thank you
so much. Tinawid ko lang. I wasn't prepared for that high note. Taas pala niya. Thank you. Thank you, Ate Lizelle.
Let's go.
Thank you,
Epic stories
Lazy.
await on Prime Video.
Salamat po for staying. Naku, Jenica. Alam mo, wala talaga masyadong alam sa mga kanta. Baka may iba kang request, Jenica. Yes, Elaine. Sige, after this song, Judy. Moonlight Over Paris.
Oh, love of my life, destined forever. I will be right here by your side. No falling tears when we're together. You know the joy you bring to me. There'll be no other. We'll share as lovers. Right from the heart, from my mind to your soul, I will give it to you, girl. My every little thing that I'm more than willing
Wala ako sa tono.
will give to you. Forever starts from now, I promise you. Loving you is all that I can do. No one can take it away from me. Nobody but you.
Wala sa audition yung falsetto ko. Sige, kantayin na natin yung Moonlight Over Paris. Getting to know each other. Hi, Ulap. What's up? Ganda ng pangalan, Ulap. Ito na, Judy. Yung kanina mo pang request.
Covers PH.
You say you've been overseas. I say over where? You say just a holiday. My obsession there. I say I've been working late, working overtime. Haven't seen that sunset 69. Oh, does the moonlight shine on Paris after the sun goes down? If the London Bridge is falling, will anybody hear a sound? If you follow the sunset, will it ever end? Oh, does the moonlight shine on Paris? Oh, na, doo-doo-doo, doo-doo-doo, doo-doo-doo. Oh, how can you just walk away? Was it something that I said? I see only black and white. You see green and red. You believe Oh, does the moonlight shine on Paris after the sun goes down? If the London Bridge is falling, will anybody hear a sound? If you follow the sunset, will it ever end? Oh, does the moonlight shine on Paris? Da-da-da-da, da-da.
Thank you so much.
Do-do-dum, do-do-dum, do-do-do. Paraiso.
Okay, let's sing that song.
You know what's new in Kinder Joy?
Paraiso.
New Old Spice Steel Titan.
Sige, let's try to sing that. I don't know if... Hi, thank you guys for staying. Nagbo-burp ako. Wow, very tender naman tong version na to. Sorry. Hindi ko nasimulan.
Return to a land called Paraiso, a place where dying river ends. No birds dare fly over Paraiso. No space allows them to endure the smoke that screens the air, the grass that's never there. And if I could see a single bird, what a joy. I'd try to write some words and create a simple song to be heard by the rest of the world. I live in this land called Paraiso, in a house made of cardboard floors and walls. I learned to be free in Paraiso. Read it plain, anything I see, matching rags for my clothes, plastic bags for the coat. And if empty cans were all I have, what a joy. I never fight to take someone else's coins and live in fear like the rest of the boys. Paraiso, help me make a stand. Paraiso, take me by the hand. Paraiso, make the world understand that if I could see a single bird, what a joy the tired and hungry land could expect. Some truth and hope and respect from the rest of the world. Paraiso, help me make a stand. Paraiso, take me by the hand. Paraiso, make the world understand that if I could see a single bird,
Dexter, what's up? Uy, hindi. Sing-sing lang yan. Accessory. Thank you, Encho. Salamat po.
Of the world.
Hindi ko abisado masyado yung part na yun. So. Thank you, Ulap, for the song request. Ordinary song. Sige, dahil bumalik ka sa pagkakatulog mo, hindi ka makatulog. Ito, baka makatulog ka na. Thank you, Encho. Ano ba yan? Water break. Thank you for the reminder, Ria. Hi, Jace. Ah. Hi, Mark Gian. What's up?
H.
Thank you, Ria. Salamat. Makita pa ko ng date. Hi, Seth. Lors, what's up from Dagupan? Tara na saan? Saan punta? Sa kapunta to the moon. Uy, thank you. Thank you, Seth. Ay, start na pala. Hi, James.
Just an ordinary song to a special girl like you.
Thank you, Seth.
From a simple guy who's so in love with you. I may not have much to show, no diamonds that glow, no limousines to take you where you go. But if you ever find yourself tired of all the games you play, when the world seems so unfair, you can count on me to stay. Just take some time to lend an ear to this ordinary song.
Tara na sa huling albimbo. Thank you, Seth.
Free song to a special girl like you, from a simple guy who's so in love with you.
Thank you, Dave.
I don't even have the looks to make you glance my way. The clothes I wear may just seem so absurd, but deep inside of me is you. You give life to what I do. All those years may see you through. Still I'll be waiting here for you. If you have time, please lend an ear to this ordinary song.
Daddy girl, what's up?
Just an ordinary song to a special girl like you, from a simple guy who's so in love with you.
Thank you, Daddy. You know. Thank you so much. Thank you. Oo, nilalamigan ko talaga pag ganyang song. Anong someday? Request ba yan? Tears in Heaven. Oh my God. Sige, sige. Ganda yun. Thank you, Encho. Someday by Nina. Okay, let's try to sing that later. For now, hindi ko kasi nag-gets kagad na someday. Sige, try natin later. For now, let's sing this song. Also, isang napakagandang kanta. Pag naririnig ko tong kantang to, nakakaiyak yun siya. Hi, Karats. Sana all. Nagbo-burp ako na nagbo-burp. Elio, oh. For your dad. Okay, for your dad. In heaven.
Would you know my name if I saw you in heaven? Would it be the same if I saw you in heaven? I must be strong and carry on, 'cause I know I don't belong here in heaven. Would you hold my hand if I saw you in heaven? Would you help me stay if I saw you in heaven? I'll find my way through night and day, 'cause I know I just can't stay here in heaven.
Medyo MJ. What's up, MJ? Thank you, Archie. Alex, thank you.
Bring you down, time can bend your knees. Time can break your heart, have been begging please, begging please.
Hi, Keith. Sobrang ganda ng kantang to. Thank you, Rick.
Beyond the door, there's peace, I'm sure, and I know there'll be no more tears in heaven. Would you know my name if I saw you in heaven? Would you feel the same if I saw you in heaven? I must be strong and carry on, 'cause I know
you so much. Sundan na natin ang kantang to since,
Germs everywhere.
Elio. Thank you, Elio. Para sa'yo pa rin itong kantang to. So, kasunod kasi ng kantang to. So, pinlay ko na. Would you guess kung anong kanta to? Thank you, MJ. Thank you, Rick.
Back when I was a child, before life removed all the innocence, my father will lift me high and dance with my mother and me, and then spin me around till I fell asleep. Then up the stairs he will carry me, and I knew for sure I was loved. If I could get another chance, another walk, another dance with him, I'd play a song that would never, never end. How I'd love to dance with my father again. Thank you, MJ. When I and my mother would disagree, to get my way I would run from her to him. He'd make me laugh just to comfort me, yeah. Then finally make me do just what my mama said. Later that night when I was asleep, he left $1 under my sheet. Never dreamed that he would be gone from me. If I could steal one final glance, one final step, one final dance with him, I'd play a song that would never ever end. How I love to dance with my father again. Sometimes I listen outside the door, and I'd hear my mother cry for him. I pray for her even more than me. I pray for her even more than me. I know I'm praying for much too much, but could you sit back, the only man she loved? I know you don't do it usually, but the Lord, she's dying to dance with my father again. Every night I fell asleep, this is all I ever dream.
Thank you so much. Hirap kantahin sa madaling araw ng kantang yan. Anyway, thank you so much, guys. Uy, MJ, thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you,
ilang
Rick.
weeks?
Salamat.
Very weak. Nangihina?
Palagi.
Baka anemic ka.
Sige. This might be my second to the last song and then I'll be ending the live na. Hi there, Karamos. What's up? Uy, hindi na tayo muna waving through a window.
Discover the
Ilang oras
Tiger and
na?
more with Kinder Joy na tunes.
Pagkatas kong kumanta, nabuburp-burp ako. Ba't ka? Hindi ko closing song yung waving through a window. Tanging mahal ang closing song natin. Sige. Matty, what's up, Matty? Missed you. How are you? Way there. Miss you.
Hindi man araw-araw na nakangiti, ilang beses na rin tayo humihindi. Di na mapilan ang ating mga tampuhan, away ba't di natin di na namamalayan? Eto tayo, ngunit sa huli babalik pa rin sa yakap mo hanggang sa huli. Palagi
Pang madaling araw na yung boses ko.
pipiliin ko maging sa'yo, ulit-ulitin man. Nais kong malaman mo, iyo ako palagi.
Ikaw, MJ.
Kung balikan man ang hirap, luhat lahat, ikaw ang paborito kong desisyon na. Pag napaligiran ang ingay at ang gulo, di ko pagpapalit ngiti mo sa mundo. Eto tayo sa huli, palagi babalik pa rin sa yakap mo hanggang sa huli. Palagi pipiliin ko maging sa'yo, ulit-ulitin man. Nais kong malaman mo, iyo ako. Sa pagdating ng ating pilagkat ito, diyaman ay may buti. Ikaw pa rin aking dingding, natatangi kong dalangin hanggang sa huling siglo. Sa huli, palagi babalik pa rin sa yakap mo, mahal. Sa huli, palagi pipiliin ko maging sa'yo, ulit-ulitin man. Nais kong malaman mo, iyo ako palagi.
Thank you so much. Wala po ako sa Pangasinan Mines, Manila. And here's my last song for all of you guys. Ala, sayang, Jenica. Last song. Next time, Jenica. Hi, Melvs. Hi, Jules. What's up?
Covers PH.
Enjoy. What's up, Leonardo?
Sabihin ko kaya sa'yo, damdamin ay tinatago. Paano aking kaibigan, lihim na katotohanan, tanging mahal. Sa puso ko'y ikaw lamang. Sabihin mong pag-ibig ko minimiti o inaasam. Kailan pa ba maririnig ito, sinta? Kung sana'y makapiling ka habang buhay, aking sinta. Pagtingin sa'yo'y nagbago, pagtibok ng aking puso, sana'y iyong malaman, ikaw lamang kailan mahal. Sa puso ko'y ikaw lamang. Sabihin mong pag-ibig kong minimithi o inaasam. Kailan pa ba maririnig ito, sinta? Kung sana'y makapiling ka habang buhay, aking sinta. Tanging mahal. Sa puso ko'y ikaw lamang. Sabihin mong pag-ibig kong minimithi o inaasam. Kailan pa ba maririnig ito, sinta? Kung sana'y makapiling ka habang buhay, aking sinta. Tanging mahal. Tanging mahal.
Thank you so much. Ayun o. Anyway, maraming salamat po for being here on my live stream. Thank you, Ria. Maraming salamat. Thank you, Jenica. Yes, pahinga na ako. I'll probably, rest my voice na and rest my, Ito na ang oras ng pagtulog ko, actually. Kaya minsan, naisipan ko mag-live ng madaling araw para mas maaga makatulog. But anyway, good night everyone. Thank you all so much guys for being here. IG, MJ, uy! Cute! That is so cute. Ang galing. Saya naman nung ano na yun, may paulan. Ulan ba yun or ano? Umbrella for love kasi bumubuhos ng pagmamahal. Naps! Thank you MJ sa pagbuhos ng pagmamahal. Pero good night, good night. Thank you, thank you. Pahinga na rin kayo guys. Matulog na tayong lahat. Maraming salamat po. I'll see you again next time. Ro Miranda. Good night Ate Lizelle. Thank you, thank you. MJ, maraming salamat. MJ, thank you for always being there sa live stream. And to everybody, thank you Ria, thank you Jenica, thank you Rest well. Rest well, everyone. Lazy and LA, thank you for being here, for staying, and for listening. Melvs, thank you. I'll see you again soon, guys. Goodbye, everyone. Uy, thank you. Thank you, Rick. Thank you. Ay, may pahabol pa. Baka hindi pa tapos. Maghintay tayo. Thank you so much, MJ. Maraming salamat. Tulog ka ulit. Nagising ka lang ba, Telecel? Thank you. I'll see you soon. I'll see you soon again. Bye, guys. Thank you, Holy. Love you all. Shout out. Thank you.